Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this unique clone effect. So after recording my videos, I imported them into CapCut as a new project. So I click on add to add them as a new project. So I actually recorded my videos together. So this is me scrolling to the part where the first video ended. As you can see, I walked in and I'm acting like I'm looking at the second person. So the second person is supposed to pick up my own coffee that I'm drinking. So after acting that part, so I'm switching to the second person. So when I got to that part where the second person is, I splitted the video and I scrolled down to overlay and made the second video as an overlay. I clicked on overlay, made it overlay and dragged it beneath the first video. I made sure to adjust it very well to make sure that they are aligning. So after doing that, I highlighted the overlay and scroll down to mask. I clicked on mask and picked the first one, which is the horizontal one. Then I twist it around to separate both persons from each other. So after doing that, I positioned it very well. Then drag this arrow to fade the line in between them. So after that, I decided to adjust the video. So I'm taking it to the part where I almost walked in with the coffee. So I splitted the beginning and deleted the excess part. So I wanted to start from me almost walking into the frame like this. So after splitting that part, so I now decide to adjust the overlay as well. It's supposed to start from when the person is walking in, supposed to be looking at the overlay person, is supposed to be noticing the person that is walking in. So I took it to that part, splitted it and deleted the first part, which is the excess part, then drag it to adjust it so it will align. Then I played my video to the part where I want to use keyframe to adjust the masking. Remember, the teacup is in between them, and if this person that has been sitting there stretches her hand is going to cut off. So now I highlighted the overlay and scroll down to mask. So this is where the magic begins. So I clicked on mask, then clicked on keyframe, added my first keyframe. Then I played the video to the part where the person stretches her hand. As you can see, her hand is cut off. So I shifted the masking to the other person's side so that the person that stretches her hand can be revealed. So after the person's hand has been revealed, I make sure to adjust the masking so that her hand does not cut off at all. So this is where you adjust your video properly so that it looks real. So the person has actually stretched her hand beyond the masking, and normally when you mask a video you can't stretch your hand beyond it. Your hand is going to cut off. So as you can see, the person stretches her hand and reached for the cup without her hand cutting off. So I'm playing the video to check how it looks like. So when I saw that it's okay, I took my video to the part where I have the excess side, so I splitted it to delete it. This is where I actually want my video to end, so I just deleted the excess part, splitted it and deleted it, and exported my video. So let me show you how the result looks like. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the post notification so you get videos as they come. See you in our next video.